What else you got to say, huh, mister?
Hey, Batman. It just goes to show you that Batman is timeless. My son is 21, and so 21
Batman.
years ago, 20 years ago, he had Batman everything.
Batman.
Batman mobiles,
Batman.
Batman clothes, Batman pajamas.
That one was cooler than though. Now he's kind of weird.
Batman, 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 Batman.
Now he is. Because before, like, you knew why he didn't use guns. He knew his parents died. People don't really know the origin now.
Oh, I don't follow that.
Where's your mama? You don't want to talk? Say hi. Hi. Hi, more. More hi? Hi. Hi. Say hi. Just kick, kick, kick. That's all I do is kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. That's all I do is kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. You gonna talk some more? Tell us. Tell us all about it. You want the camera? Okay, okay, okay. You can have the camera. Here. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the baby. Kicking. Kick, kick, kick.